This video is for April 29th. Please make sure you take out a new sheet of paper and at the top of it, you label it 429. You write down these examples and then we're gonna answer the question. We're not actually gonna do any math steps today. We're just gonna make a decision. Should we use the law of sines to help us solve this? Or should we use the law of cosines to help us solve for some missing pieces in this problem, or in these triangle problems here? So you guys, you did law of sines last week. You've done law of cosines for the past 2 days. First day with me, second day with Mr. Clendenin. But we always told you which one to use, and it kind of just followed our videos. But we really never talked about, at some point, you should make that decision for yourself. So you guys, what I would want you guys to do by law of sines is, what I really know about this one is combo. And what I mean by that is you use the law of sines if you have a side and its angle across from it. So like little a, big A, little b, big B, little c, big C. And I call those combos. If you have those, you could set up the fraction and set it equal to another fraction to help you solve. Law of cosines is used when you don't have a combo. When you don't have a combo, you have to use one of those more complex equations from the law of cosines. So you guys, in short, law of sines, you got a combo. Law of cosines, you don't got a combo, but there is one trick to this. You don't have to be given the combo as long as it's really easy to find that combo. And then you should still use law of sines. I'll find that tricky one in this. All right. So when you read number 1, you have angle A is 50 degrees, angle B is 39 degrees, and little b is 13 degrees. I look if there is a combo. If there is a combo, I for sure can do law of sines. So pause it or whatever and think if you know what you would choose. But to me, I would choose law of sines. Now, I always want you to explain your answer. So it says explain your answer in your homework. So we're going to say that it's the law of sines, and you can say because, you could just put a comma, but basically at least tell me the combo that you have. I have the B combo. I got little b, I got big B. So the reason why I'm going to use the law of sines is the B combo is known. Okay, let's look at number 2. I got angle B is 20 degrees, little a is 9, and little c is 18. Now remember, I need a combo to do the law of sines, otherwise I'm going to use law of cosines. So do you think I should use law of sines or cosines? Pause it. And we're going to have to use law of cosines because there is no combo. So law of cosines, and again, my rationale is no combo. If you really remember back from geometry and you drew this out, this would be side angle side information. But anytime you have side angle side information, which means the angles in between the two sides, use the law of cosines. But the real reason is you don't have a combo. All right, now number 3. This is actually side 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 information from geometry. So I got A is 9, B is 11, and C is 14. Well, since I don't know any angle out there at all, I obviously can't have a combo. So this is the law of cosines. And the reason why is there is no combo. Okay, number 4. Oh, sorry, and this one really quick. When you have 2 angles in a side, it could be angle, side, angle, or angle, angle, side, talking about your geometry days. So here's another example, kind of like number 1. 2 angles and a side. 2 angles and a side, but let's see. Angle B is 17 degrees, angle C is 80 degrees, and side A is 13. Well, is it as easy as number 1? Is it really a law of sines? Or since I don't have a combo, should I go law of cosines? Well, this is the tricky one. This is the only time that you, excuse me, don't see a combo right away, but you still use law of sines. Because anytime you're given 2 angles of a triangle, it would be super easy to find the 3rd angle of a triangle. So even though I don't have angle A, I could take 180 degrees minus 17 minus 80 and find angle A. And if I do that, I would have the little a, big A combo. So this one is going to be law of sines. Now, we can't say we have a combo yet as our rationale. So the reason why we can use the law of sines is A is easy to find. Then I have the A combo. Then I got the A combo. So I need you guys to go through that rationale because that's what's going to help you really choose which law you get to use to help you solve. And then number 5, we got angle C is 55 degrees, little a is 7, and little c is 15. This is another one that is hopefully pretty obvious. We got angle C, we got side C, so we definitely have a combo. So this is the law of sines. And if you underline that, that could be a good rationale, but at least maybe you still see that it's the C combo. All right, in your homework tonight, you are not actually solving for any missing pieces. You are just stating which rule you should use, and I want you to explain your reasoning or give your rationale. It could be as easy as, hey, I have this combo, or hey, there's no combo. You don't have to write anything really elaborate, but we do have to know why we're choosing the rules that we are choosing. Okay, here are your 5 examples. Please write them on your sheet of paper as well. You can pause the video, it'll zoom in, and you're just stating law of sines or law of cosines, and you're gonna explain your decision. Good luck.